Okay. Yay! We're packing up right now. We're going to Austin. We're going to my old restaurant to basically cook in it, work every position, do every single thing for 24 hours straight. Literally 24 hours, like from 7 a.m. to 7 a.m. It will be the next day in the morning when we're done. We're in the car. We're driving. We're having a little road trip with the boys. I feel fine now. I'm not sure how I'm gonna feel when I'm actually there after 24 hours. So let's go and let's find out. Pit stop time at Texas' favorite location of all time, Buc-ee's. If this isn't the most clout-built gas station in the world, I don't know what is. Oh my gosh, you can get, it's like a little convenience store and you can get fresh roasted nuts and stuff. There's like a culture here. There just shouldn't be. So I'm gonna go pump my gas now. So we've arrived. It was a long but productive drive. We have the rest of the day and then tomorrow morning, bright and early, is when it's going to be happening. We're gonna go in to the restaurant. We'll take it 1 hour at a time, times 24. I guess I'll catch up on my rest now or something, I don't know. What is my sleep schedule? Like, what am I doing at 7 a.m.? Do I go to sleep for the whole day or do I just stay up until nighttime the next day, then sleep like 12 hours?
I normally always stay up further until the next night and then just crash.
It's 6 o'clock. We're supposed to be there at 7 o'clock. Got my chef shoes on. Let's go. It's dark out here. So we're here at Uchiko. I gotta go get my chef coat on and then we're going to commit to a 24-hour cooking challenge. This isn't just some restaurant or some fast food restaurant. This is hardcore. I'm talking like anywhere from 7 to 20 components per dish, fine dining for 24 hours straight. I know I've said it a lot, but go get my coat on and we're gonna do this. They don't even give these out anymore. And it's... Okay, so this is a first check-in, and I feel good. I feel strong. I haven't been in this fit in a while, and it feels like it's giving me power. So I'm ready for it. I'm ready for anything, and I'm determined to win. And by win, I mean complete this challenge. We can tap out at any time for the record. There's a tap out timer. So it's whether or not I'm gonna complete the 24 hours or not. Can I do it? Yes, I can. Now I gotta wash my hands. This is all about bulk work, Vikram. Everything that the prep team does is basically big. You're not gonna put trash bags on 3 trash cans. You're gonna put trash bags on 30 trash cans. You're not gonna make 1 cup of sauce. You're gonna make like several gallons. And that's what we're gonna do today. Everybody needs to have something to put their trash away in because obviously you produce a lot of scrap. This is like an extra one. It's been so long since I've done this, I don't remember. But somebody else is making the list now?
Yeah.
Okay, I didn't know that. We're missing more than half the team, so it's gonna be a fun morning for all of us. Some things are gonna be like 1 quart, 2 quarts. Some things are gonna be like gallons. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sauces, 5 vegetable cuts. So I'm getting dashi on right now. I'm waiting for him to finish with that. And then I'm gonna jump on the edamame jalapeno cashew butter and then beer mustard. Once all that's knocked out, then I'm gonna do all my vegetable prep. Spank me. This book is one of the oldest books, I think, in this kitchen at this point. Most people have come and gone if they still have their books. Those who cook in restaurants know about this, but this is a very old book. It looks like something from the 1800s. This is my old recipe book. So all the recipes that I've ever made in this restaurant are all in here. Secrets. prep or really cooking anything is layering tasks. You want multiple things happening at the same time. I'm talking, I'm filling some water, picking this, I'm grabbing that. You're doing multiple things all at once. Keep wanting to say, Alexa, set a timer. Dashi, Japanese sea stock. When I came back here, immediately felt natural, but then there's just like these little awkward pieces.
Oh yeah.
Where I'm like, I know where this is, and then I get there and I'm like, but I don't. But the more I do each motion, the more it comes back. It's like muscle memory.
Oh
you know
yeah,
what I
for
mean?
sure.
Cool. That's everything. Now we gotta put all this shit away. We just finished putting everything away. The prep team over there is prepping right now. And then we got our pastry chefs over here working away, making beautiful, delicate pastries. The vibes are good, the vibes are strong. We're gonna maintain emotional and physical composure through this entire 24 hours. That's the goal. Most restaurants, we have a dishwasher, but we wash our own dishes here. Kind of relaxing, actually. Blanched kale, grilled negi, beer mustard, dashi, about to finish cashew butter, then EDJ, avocados and onion rings, and we're good. When I worked here, I used to just say a bunch of things that I still say, but like I would say sausage mushroom pizza. When I left, they bought me the biggest sausage mushroom pizza I've ever seen, and it said, "We're gonna miss you," and it said sausage mushroom pizza on it. Sausage mushroom pizza. Whenever you season something, especially a sauce, you want to season it all the way to the max, as far as it will go salt. Not too salty, but just before that, because this only gets a little dollop on the plate, so you really want it to be punchy so they can taste the cashew butter that they're, or whatever sauce that they're going to be eating. It's been, what, 5 hours? Yeah, 5 hours, okay. Not bad, math on the way up. Yeah, I mean, I feel fine. Obviously, we're not even done with a normal shift at this point, so I feel great, honestly. We have until about 3 o'clock to be completely done, but I'm gonna put this order away. Once I'm done with my list, I'll start helping them break down the rest of their list.
Hey, my name is Win Win. I've been with the company for about 5.5, 6 years. I'm a sushi chef here. And yeah, this is our daily routine. We break down salmon, ocean trout, yellowtail, and other various fishes from all over the world. Today we'll be cutting these 3 fish. This is a harame, flounder, Suzuki, sea bass, and a kampachi, which is amberjack. We have our selection of bluefin tuna. This is the lean part, known as the kami. The medium fatty, this is the true toro, and the old toro, extra fatty.
Mini check-in. I'm cutting a lot of avocados. This is my last project of the day. I'm prep squad, and then I'm gonna jump, hopefully, on family meal in time if I can finish this fast. They're already putting family meal up. It's at 2 o'clock now instead of 3 o'clock. So family meal used to be at 3. Now it's at 2. Which means it starts in like 3 minutes. I was gonna help them, but I didn't know that. So family meal, which is basically when around 1 to 2 people will be assigned to make food for the whole restaurant. We all sit down, socially distanced. We eat our food before we go into service. You gotta have calories in your body, good food, to push you through the whole night. That's what they're making. I think they're making shepherd's pie, so I'm very excited about that.
We'll have Josh with us today. I'm sure everybody's already seen it.
Very good. Happy to see everybody, and a ton of new faces, ton of old faces. I wasn't sure how I was gonna feel when I came back in the kitchen. I thought it was gonna feel unnatural, but it feels very natural, and it's good to see everybody in a good mood, having a good attitude through these times.
Just like per usual, guys, I just want to, again, thank everybody for all the efforts you put in as far as just the way the world has changed and the things we're having to deal with. You all have done a really amazing job of kind of coming together, being both responsible inside and outside of the workplace. So, again, just thank y'all.
Have a good show.
Pre-shift is over, we've eaten, and we're about to go into service in, they said 4 now, so we have 1 hour roughly until service. I feel good. Technically the shift would be over by now, but now we're gonna transition to the line. So I don't know where we're gonna go first, I'll figure that out. We're outside and away from people, so I can take this off for a second. So it's 4 o'clock. Technically, by now, the first shift would have been done, so we're going into the second shift. I thought I would be tired by now, but I feel good. Maybe it's the adrenaline. Maybe like just be excited seeing everybody and not being here for a while, but I feel pretty good. And we're about to go into service now, and I'm just gonna bounce around and work every single position on the line. And I don't know what's gonna happen next. We're not even halfway done.
Josh has 6 Muppet baby tattoos. Trying to guess where they are.
6 what?
Muppet baby tattoos, bro.
Puppet baby? Feeling good. Service has been going on for about an hour. Not much on that station. Been really chill, not a ton of orders. Honestly, I've been prepping and I put out like 4 plates and that's about it. So probably gonna hop to another station very shortly. Papa, you like it? You like it? On this tempura station, instead of having a fryolator like that's automated, this restaurant uses 2 gigantic copper pots. So you control the heat with 3 different knobs, and you fry everything with 2 giant chopsticks. Feeling the vibe.
I think Josh's doing great. He's stepping back in and it's like he never left.
Service is about halfway done, roughly, a little more so. We'll be done at 11. I feel good. I'm still waiting for that moment where it's gonna be like, bah, the wall. I don't know. Maybe the wall is a myth. It's all in your mind. So might never matter. We're gonna do this even harder. What are we plating the bok choy in right now? Last time I made a bok choy was 10 months ago. I feel like accustomed to all this, but after not working in a restaurant for about 10 months, everything is less automatic. It's 9 o'clock, starting to feel the effects of being up, but I feel good. Chef Zach, how do you feel?
Another night. Feel great.
He feels great, I feel fine. It's all positive vibes. 10. So that means that we have 9 more hours.
What time? What time?
11 p.m. I don't feel, I'm tired. I don't feel like I've been up for 24 hours yet, obviously. I feel like that's gonna feel different, but I definitely feel it now. It has hit. It went from like, wow, I feel fine. There was no gradual decrease. It just was like, bam, you are tired. And then it slowly starts to go downhill from there. So yeah, wouldn't mind like just going to sleep. Everybody's cleaned up. Most people have left. Now we just gotta put all of our stuff away, and then we gotta get ready for the cleaning crew who's gonna get here, start sort of cleaning all this stuff that's out here. They're gonna clean the hood vents. We're gonna do all that with them. But in the meantime, I'm gonna break this down, and then we'll see them probably, I think, in 30 minutes. Maybe we'll sit down for a second. So it's 1 a.m. This is the 1 a.m. check-in.
Oh, it'd be good this. Well, there you go.
Obviously, I feel tired. Would not feel tired in this very moment. I'm having several thoughts go through my mind. For one, why am I doing this? For two, is it really worth it? And my answer to that is, you never really know, and sometimes you just gotta commit. That's how I feel right now. You gotta commit. I don't feel awake anymore. It's 3 a.m. It's freezing outside. If I'm outside getting fresh air, it's cold. I feel good. Definitely have been slipping away into, is this reality? Am I awake or am I asleep? Am I dreaming? My body's like, go home and go to sleep. I think we're the only ones in the restaurant now. The cleaners in that area have left, and now the next round of cleaners are supposed to be here to clean the dining room, which I'm gonna help them do that as well. But they're not here yet, so we're literally just kind of not sure what to do right now. So we're just gonna chill, sit down, and try not to fall asleep, and see when they get here. It is now 5 a.m. and I think I've hit what was I gonna say? And I think I finally hit what TJ has called the afterglow. And by that I mean, yes, I'm tired, but I feel like somehow I just woke up. I don't know how that happened. It just happened. We're still waiting for someone else to be here. There's literally still nobody here. We were expecting the second round of cleaners. Doesn't matter, we're not leaving this building until 7 in the morning, damn it. 2 more hours. Whenever you wring out a mop, I'll just put it in there. Twirl it up like paschetti. That way when you wring it out, you really get the juice. So it's 7 a.m. We've made it. It's been 24 hours. I feel good, actually. I feel really good for 2 reasons. For one, because we committed and we did it, all right? There's no giving up. We won this challenge. We always follow challenges all the way through to the end. It's not about winning or losing. It's about committing and with conviction. And then the second reason is that this was to tell a story. It was to show people what goes on in a restaurant like this. What does it take to run a restaurant like this? How much work goes into each and every single job, from the prep cooks to the line cooks to the sous chefs to the executive chefs to even to the people that clean the restaurant. It is a big job to run a restaurant, especially during this time with COVID and everything going on. The moral of the story is support your local restaurants, be kind to your waiters and waitresses. This is for those people. If you have a local restaurant that you like and you respect, go out and support them. I'm very tired and I'm gonna go lay down, and I'm not really sure what to do with my sleep schedule now, so we're gonna go figure that out now. But anyway, if you enjoyed this video or you learned something, leave a like, subscribe, and I will see you next time.